What's up, fishing freaks? It's time. We're gonna go fishing. Let me show you. I'm all packed up and ready to go. Pescador Pro 120. Ooh. Hey, what's up, fishing freaks? So I'm all packed up, ready to go. I'm at the Sheraton Hotel Marina in Petaluma, and I'll just show you guys my kayak since it's all set up. My fish cooler in the front, pedal drive, my anchor trolley on the side, my pedal or my oar, and then my fish finder, my drink, and then my poles. Here we go. Here's the back, and that's it for my fishing kayak for now. This is what I got it set up so far. So, yeah. All right, fishing freaks, we're back on Petaluma River. And man, this is the maiden voyage of my kayak, and let me tell you, it is so much smoother than my last kayak, the Riot Mako. It is way better beyond comparison. Like, it's just smooth as butter. The pedal drive, I mean, where there was a lot of kind of like more friction on the Riot Mako, and I love it right now. This is amazing. But yeah, we're just gonna pedal down the whole Petaluma River today. I'm gonna kayak fish the whole Petaluma River, guys. So I'm gonna fish the whole Petaluma River, and then I'm gonna be trolling. I bought some anchovies, so if I see a good spot, we're gonna fish with the anchovies. But yeah, let's get it done, guys. This is gonna be awesome. Look at that. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. And oh, I dropped my hand sanitizer. But man, I love my kayak. It's smooth as butter. Best purchase I've made for the upgrade. I was kind of regretting it because it was so much money, but now that I'm using it, oh my gosh, it is so much better. And not to crap on the other kayak, but there was just a lot of issues going on with it, like the steering, and it's just really hard to turn. But this one, the steering is smooth as butter, and it locks, so I don't have to keep readjusting it. But the Riot Mako is the same way, but this one's just super easy to use, guys. Yeah, but early morning kayak fishing the Petaluma River. I just want to get a couple casts in right here before we start. Oh, I'm not used to my steering being on my left hand. I usually, on the Riot Mako, have it on my right, so it's kind of weird. But we're just gonna start out with a couple casts. Oh my gosh, this is the best kayak setup. Oh, got hit. I got fish already. Oh, immediately I got a fish on the second cast. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, it's a good one. Oh my gosh, I caught a big fish already. 2 seconds. Second cast in. Oh my gosh! On the Zoom swim bait. It's a big fish, guys. I can't even pull it up. Oh shit. I wonder how big it is. It's super strong. Oh my gosh! Second cast! Oh my gosh, I hooked it to the... I might have caught a 40-inch striper, guys. I don't want it to take me under this bridge because I have my other poles. So we're gonna backpedal. Guys, how big is the striper? Oh my gosh. On a lure too. I'm just gonna play him. Oh man, he's a big fish. He is a ginormous fish. I don't want to lose him. I want to see what he is. He's coming up. Oh, he's going back for another pull. Oh shit. Man, I think I caught a 40-inch striper. I really think I caught a 40-inch striper, guys. Jeez. Get my net out. Oh shit, he's stuck. He's going for another run. Guys, this is huge. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Jeez, he's a 40-incher. I caught a 40-inch striper. I caught a 40-inch striper. I caught a river monster on a lure. Oh my gosh. Come on, be done. Oh, I just wanted to be done. My arm's getting tired. I've been fighting him for so long already. Oh my gosh, he's absolutely... He doesn't even fit in my net. He doesn't even fit in my net. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! Am I recording? I'm recording! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Yes! 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 On my new kayak! Maiden voyage! Yeah! Let's go! I'm just gonna lift up the net. Oh my gosh. He's 16 pounds. 16 pounds. And he's 30 inches. Man, what a fight. If only I could find my stringer. My gosh. Check that out, guys. Check that out. Ginormous striper. Oh shit. Huge. And we're gonna let him breathe. We're gonna let him in the water. Oh shit. Oh, he's heavy. Oh my gosh, that was the best fish. All right, we're gonna go back. We're gonna get back in there. We're gonna get back in there. All right, so change of plans. Since I caught that fish, I'm not gonna go all the way down the Petaluma River because I don't want the fish to go bad. It's gonna be about 5 hour by kayak. So what I'm gonna do is just fish all the way down towards the pond, and then I'll head back up, and then we're done for the day. I'm just gonna fish probably until like, what time is it right now? Till like 7. I'll fish until like 12, and then we'll call it a day. But that's the plan for today. Let's go. We did it. We succeeded. Let's get it done. Let's try to get another one. All right, guys. So we're just gonna be trolling now, and then I'm just gonna fish. I'm just gonna fish down the river. Is think about you. All right, so I made it to the pond. We're gonna see what's up in here. I see a lot of fish on the graph. It is chock full of fish right now. It is chock full of fish right now. Now the problem is getting them to bite. Man, there's just so much debris shooting out of this pond. Got one! Got one! Hell yeah! We're hooked up! Hooked up! Yep, knew it. What, outgoing tide, the striper waiting for the fish to come in. It's a small guy, but we'll take it. Oh, he popped off, but that was a good fish. We're gonna keep fishing. Guys, he doesn't even fit in the front of my kayak. Check this out. Look at that. Absolute fatty. I don't even know how I'm gonna fish more. He takes up too much space. But I'm gonna try to take my cooler out, and then I'm gonna see if I can fit him in the front. So yeah. Canadian geese. Wow. Another creek opening, or another inlet, I mean. Alright, so I'm gonna be using anchovies now. Seems like a good spot. The current's pushing out to the right, left, and I'm gonna throw my pole in the middle right there. So the striper should be waiting right there for bait. So yeah, we're gonna try right here. Alright, so I just hooked my anchovy. And then I'm ripping off the head. I don't use the head, so we're gonna throw that in the water. And now we're gonna cast out. Alright, we're all set. Got a fish! That was super quick. I just threw that in. Oh, it's a tiny striper. No wonder why. Man, I thought I caught a big fish. Well, that's two. Check out my beanie, guys. Look at that. Empty-handed fisherman, 0 bite squad. This is a prototype, but hopefully in the future, I'll be able to make some and then you guys can get some. But yeah. So I only caught that one fish and then it's getting windy, so I think I'm gonna head in at 10 o'clock. I don't want the fish to go bad, it's already dead. So yeah, if the fish was smaller, I could fit it into my bucket, like if it was 20 inches, but it is way too big for that. And I don't want it to go bad and spoil, so I'm gonna head home at 10 early. My original plan was to kayak down the whole river because I didn't have any live bait, but since I caught that fish, then yeah, since I caught that fish, I'm just gonna go home. Yeah, and then maybe tomorrow I'll kayak down the whole river. So we'll see. We'll see. Alright. It's gotten too windy. I don't want to struggle to get back, and I don't want it to take too long to get back, so we are done fishing. I'm gonna throw a lure into that creek, the inlet right there for a little bit, but then after that, we're done. I'm gonna reel in my anchovies, and then we're gonna start heading back. And I'll troll on the way back too. So it's not like I'm not fishing. Alright, here we go. I'm back at the boat launch. Gonna get my kayak back on the cart. Alright, let's see how big he is. He is 32 inches. 32 inches, guys. Well, that's the only way I can fit him in the truck. I don't really have any plastic bags or anything. But yeah, that's a big fish. All right, guys, I'm gonna record my grandma's reaction. Oh yeah. Yep. Did you buy it? I bought it new. Brand new. Yay. Ma. Yay ma.
Đây phải lý vậy?
Tay pali.
Đó lấy nó.
Wow. Yay cho chất ớt.
Hả?
Yay cho chất ớt.
You home already?
Được ý.
Cho chất ớt.
Vậy chú chết.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
I know.
Take a picture.
Alright guys, so this fish is not going to waste. We're gonna cook the whole fish. We're gonna use some parts of it for soup, and we're gonna tinfoil the rest of the fish. So none of the fish is gonna be wasted. We're gonna be cooking it whole. So yeah, and if you guys want to check out the food that we make, just check out my Instagram. I'm not gonna put it in the video because this video is probably already like 20 minutes long. So just check out my Instagram. You'll see all the food that we cooked with the striper. And yeah, see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.